Hey everyone, and welcome to Minutes Review. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of a delicious and versatile nut, the badam, or as most of us know it, the almond. From its ancient origins in the cradle of civilization to its modern-day culinary and cultural significance, the almond's journey is full of surprises, symbolism, and of course, flavor. So, buckle up and get ready to crack open the shell of this amazing nut. Ancient origins. Our story begins in the Fertile Crescent of Western Asia, around 4,000 years ago. This region, encompassing parts of modern-day Iran, Iraq, and Syria, is considered the birthplace of agriculture, and it's where the wild almond first thrived. These early almonds were much smaller and bitter than the sweet varieties we enjoy today. But our ancestors recognized their potential. They foraged for wild almonds, using them for food, medicine, and even religious ceremonies, spreading the almond love. As trade routes like the Silk Road blossomed, almonds hitched a ride. They traveled west to Greece and Rome, where they became prized delicacies. In fact, ancient Romans believed almonds symbolized fertility and hope, showering newlyweds with them during wedding ceremonies. The almond's journey continued east, reaching China and India, where it found its way into traditional medicine and cuisine. Over time, selective breeding led to the development of sweeter almond varieties, further boosting the nut's popularity. From symbol to snack, throughout history, the almond has transcended its culinary uses. It has inspired artists and writers, appearing in paintings, poems, and even religious texts. For example, the almond branch in bloom is a symbol of hope and renewal in Judaism and Christianity. In the Middle Ages, almonds were a luxury food enjoyed by royalty and the wealthy, but gradually, as production increased, they became more accessible to the common people. Today, almonds are a global phenomenon, enjoyed in everything from snacks and desserts to savory dishes and alternative milks. The almond boom. In the 18th century, Spanish missionaries brought almonds to California, where they found ideal growing conditions. Today, California is the world's leading producer of almonds, supplying over 80% of the global market. The almond industry has faced challenges like drought and climate change, but it continues to innovate and adapt. New varieties are being developed, and sustainable farming practices are being implemented to ensure the future of this beloved nut. Outro. So, there you have it. The incredible history of the badam or almond. From its humble beginnings in the ancient world to its modern-day ubiquity, this versatile nut has captured our hearts and taste buds for millennia. What's your favorite way to enjoy almonds? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon below. Thank you and love you all.